the same story repeats itself yet again in the Lok Sabha. Within just 5 minutes of being convened, Lok Sabha has been adjourned with the opposition raising slogans. The Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla saying that during the question hour, the MPs can raise their questions, but they can't address. My colleague Pragya is joining us on the broadcast with the details. And Pragya, is this on expected lines? Are we going to see another showdown in the parliament yet again repeat itself? At 11 when it convened, within just 5 minutes, it's been adjourned. What happened and what is the opposition going to do yet again at 12 when it reconvenes?
Well, Pratibha, opposition said they want to participate in budget, discussion, but having said that, they also want the leader of opposition to speak, and they would want Mr. Rahul Gandhi to speak first. And this is a constant demand by the opposition. Ever since we have seen Rahul Gandhi speaking about the China issue, and in fact, today in the morning, Samajwadi Party leader Mr. Akhilesh Yadav too reiterated, the same sentiment and saying that this should also be allowed because this is also a matter of national security. So it looks like that all the opposition bloc party leaders are on the same page as far as Parliament is concerned. And in fact, despite this particular appeal by Mr. Kiran Rijiju, who is Parliamentary Affairs Minister, it looks like that opposition is not listening to them. In fact, Kiran Rijiju went to an extent saying that, like a motion of thanks on presidential address, there was a voice vote. But if you constantly disrupt the House, then the budget will have to be passed by voice vote as well, because it's a constitutional process. And if it is passed like that, it is a harm for Congress MP because they are the one who wanted to speak more on the budget. And in fact, there are many MPs who had given adjournment notice as far as US-India trade deal is concerned. So, it looks like that this is the case right now. And in fact, looks like that the stalling of Parliament, as the Speaker said, that this is a planned way in which the opposition is disrupting the House. India bloc parties will participate in discussion on union budget in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. That was initially decided, and this was also decided in the morning meeting that was held in Parliament today. It looks like after 12 o'clock, let's see how it pans out. But that is the decision that the India bloc parties had taken, that they are going to participate in union budget both in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha.
Okay, all right. So, Rakesh, yet again that we saw in the Lok Sabha, and the opposition is demanding discussions. So, what are the key issues that have been raised by the opposition, Pragya? Is it yet again on the unpublished book of General Naravne, or does the opposition also want discussions on the Indo-US deal that has been sealed by the government?
Pratibha, it looks like it's more about the book because, government is ready to discuss India-US trade deal. And in fact, the first day they demanded a statement by Commerce Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal. He came to the House and he also started to, he wanted to give the statement in Lok Sabha, but because of the ruckus, he couldn't do that. He had to do that in the ministry. So, but he did that in Rajya Sabha. So government is not shying away from discussing this US-India trade deal because it is more beneficial for government to explain its point of view rather than opposition members casting aspersions on agriculture sector being open for US and all of that. So this government also wants this discussion, and in fact during the budget opposition members can raise issue on this particular deal. So government is also looking forward for the participation of opposition on this particular budget. They have any suggestion they can always give. They want to raise issues on and also about US-India trade deal, they can also do that. And this is probably the reason why India bloc parties have decided to participate in discussion on union budget in Lok Sabha as well.
Okay.
Let's see how that pans out when 12 o'clock, when the Lok Sabha again sits, whether they will keep on demanding that Rahul Gandhi should be allowed to speak on that particular book or not.
Okay, all right. Let's bring in Niyamika as well to get a perspective on what the opposition is wanting. And Niyamika, we saw adjournment within just 5 minutes of the parliament convening, and it is the same that we have seen over the entire last week as well. Now, while the opposition says that Rahul Gandhi must be allowed to speak in the parliament, the speaker has also listed out the rules of the parliament, going on to say that the parliament functions in a certain way. There are some rules and protocols that need to be followed. What is it that you're picking up from the opposition camp? Is this strategy of the opposition going to continue? Are we going to see multiple such disruptions yet again?
Well, the Congress party has made this point very clear that they are not going to, let go of this issue which is being related to the leader of opposition. They are saying that it is the right of Rahul Gandhi to speak within Lok Sabha, and the way in which he was not being allowed to do so, the way in which he was not being allowed to use a quote from General Narwane's book, all of these issues will be continuously going to be raised by the Congress party. As we have seen that today also, the opposition MPs and specifically the suspended MPs, they were also holding some posters as they were also having a protest at Makardwar. The question they are arising here is that they can be suspended, but the voice of opposition cannot be silenced. That is the line which is being taken by the Congress and the other opposition parties. The only demand which they are raising right now is that they also want to seek clarification on the part of Government of India regarding India-US trade deal. They are saying that we are ready to hold this discussion regarding this entire matter, but it is the responsibility of the Union Minister Piyush Goyal to give out the details that why there is a threat which is coming in on the part of the United States, why it is being mentioned in that particular joint statement that US is going to monitor the oil imports from Russia to India. So all of these questions are going to be raised by the opposition, but they are quite clear that they are going to participate. But their demand, their protest is going to continue in the upcoming days
because
as well.
These are issues that are important for the people of the country as well. Discussion on the India-US trade deal. But the government has said that they're ready for a debate. In fact, we have a reaction coming in from the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister as well. Yet again, he had an appeal for the opposition. Listen in.
मुझे लगता है कि लोकसभा में जो कांग्रेस के नेता है वो खुद ही हाउस नहीं चलाना चाहते हैं। मैं अनुरोध करता हूं कि जो व्यवहार कांग्रेस के सांसदों ने किया है स्पीकर के साथ और टेबल में चढ़ करके और स्पीकर का चैम्बर अंदर में घुस करके जो किया है उससे स्पीकर साहब को भी आहत हुआ है और हम सबको बहुत बुरा लगा। आगे हम तो हाउस चलाना चाहते हैं, अगर एमपीज बोलने के लिए मौका नहीं मिलेंगे तो जिम्मेदार कांग्रेस पार्टी का होगा।
So if MPs are not allowed to speak, it is the Congress party that is to blame. That's what the Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister went on to say. That he also mentioned the unruly scenes that were witnessed in the Parliament. Absolutely unprecedented. Papers being thrown at the Speaker's chair. And the government says that we are ready for a debate, but the Parliament must function. The opposition leaders, who are not just the Congress party, but multiple others from the opposition as well, continue to say that it is the government that is ensuring disruptions.
हाउस चलेगा क्या सर आज?
हाँ,
हाउस
कौन बोले नहीं चलेगा?
हाउस चलेगा कि नहीं सर? हाउस चलेगा कि नहीं?
तो कौन बोले नहीं चलेगा?
हंगामा हो रहा है लोकसभा राज्यसभा दोनों में।
हो रहा है, अब देखेंगे अंदर के मालूम होगा।
भारतीय जनता पार्टी और सरकार की जिम्मेदारी है सदन चलाने की। 2014 में भारत का क्षेत्रफल क्या था, ये क्या भारतीय जनता पार्टी बता पाएगी? और आज भारत का क्षेत्रफल क्या है? चीन के सवाल पे क्यों घबरा रहे हैं? चीन के सवाल पे इसलिए घबरा रहे हैं क्योंकि भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार में चीन ने जमीनें छीनी हैं। इन्हीं के लोगों ने बाजार में मुनाफा कमाने के लिए चीन से सामान लाना शुरू कर दिया है।
So the opposition says that the onus is on the government. Now at 12 is when the Lok Sabha will be reconvening. Let's see what happens. For now, we slip into a very quick break here, but don't